Yeah, boy.
Yes. Yes.
Overrated as fuck, in my opinion. I mean, it's alright, like.
Not bad.
Not bad, but not good.
Failure! Failure! You're still a failure! Failure! I can smell the failure! Failure!
No. Wait. Wait. It's the biggest piece. It was perfect.
Yes! Yeah! Hey, come on, baby! Come on! Yes! Come on!
Hey, that's pretty good.
I was not in control of that situation at all.